crochet friends, this is Dayna from Nellie DC Crochet. Today I thought I would start a new series on the very basics of how to crochet. So the first thing you need to learn when you crochet is how to do a chain stitch. And I'm going to show you how my grandmothers taught me how to crochet many years ago. So first you get your yarn. This is a medium weight yarn. It is a number 4. Usually the label will tell you, but I don't have a label anymore on this one. And now this hook, I'm using a 5.5 millimeter, which is an eye hook. And I love these hooks. These are clover hooks. I love them because the hook part is very smooth and sleek, so it doesn't get, your yarn doesn't get caught and split easily with these hooks. Okay, so you hold, so I guess it depends on if you're right-handed or left-handed. Although I write with my left hand, I do just about everything else with my right hand, so I crochet with my right hand. So if you're right-handed, you hold your yarn with your left hand over your index finger with the short end facing you. Okay, so we're holding our yarn. Now, there are several ways to do a slip stitch, but the first step to almost any crochet project is a slip stitch. So this is the way my grandmothers taught me. Put the hook under your yarn that's on your finger and turn your hook around like this, okay? Then you kind of hold on to what's not really a knot, but it's this little section close to the hook. Put your hook under the yarn on your finger, turn it under, pointing down, and pull it through that loop, okay? Now, we tighten this little slip stitch. So here's what it looks like. Now you want to keep your loop a little bit loose, okay? Now, to make the first stitch for a chain stitch, put your hook under the yarn on your finger, grasp it and turn your hook down and pull it through the loop. Now keep this loop pretty loose, okay? So let's do it again. Put the hook under the yarn, turn your hook down and pull it through the loop. Okay, then you want to kind of crawl up and hold on to your work a little closer to the hook. So loose here, put your hook under the yarn, turn it down and pull it through the loop. Okay, keep your loop a little loose, put your yarn under the yarn, turn your hook down and pull it through the loop. So once you get the hang of it, you can do, you'll be able to go faster. Then you're going to make as many chains as your pattern calls for. But when you're starting out, a good practice is to make a long chain and just get used to a good even chain. So practice making lots of chains so that you can get your being consistent with your size of your chains, and then you'll be ready for the next step, which is usually a single crochet. Well, I hope this was helpful. I'm Dayna with Nellie DC Crochet, and I'll see you on another video. Bye-bye.